OnlyFans model has recently gotten in some hot water after she posted a video after she had claimed she was attacked, only later to admit that the first video was a lie, and revealing the real reason why she did it. And I'm gonna have all the details of that for you right now on I.O. Hey, what's up everyone, I'm Mackenzie, and today on the channel I'm gonna be filling you in on all the details we have surrounding this story of an OnlyFans model faking a video she posted of her being kidnapped. Former Love and Hip Hop Hollywood star and OnlyFans model Masika Kalysha is now getting called out for one of the most tone-deaf publicity stunts maybe ever. This all started when she posted a video of herself on August 25th in lingerie, with bruises and cuts all over her body, with her crying and speaking softly, saying that she just got beat up, then adding that she didn't know how much time she had and that they might be coming back soon, sounding really scared and afraid. Then strangely adding that she needs tips and follows on OnlyFans to be let go, saying, quote, "They said you guys have to leave me tips and follow me so they can take the money or they're not gonna let me go." Then in the caption she added that she was kidnapped and being held in a warehouse, making the whole thing seem even more real. Then after her fans started freaking out is when she deleted the first video and uploaded a second one. In the second video she told her fans that she was actually fine and she was only in that makeup because she was filming for a show that she was working on, where she plays a abuse victim. Then adding that she filmed the first video to get everyone's attention and to raise awareness for child trafficking, saying it needed that shock factor to raise the awareness that was needed. Then adding in for people to donate to the Rose organization, saying that the proceeds from her first video will go to them. But in the second video she didn't address how insensitive that stunt was, or the fact that she monetarily gained from it because she asked people to send her tips on OnlyFans in order to save her, with her later adding the caption that proceeds will be donated. At the time of writing this she hasn't commented further, but the organization that she shouted out, called the Rose organization, commented that they appreciate the awareness, however they don't condone what she did to get the attention. Alright everyone, that's all for that story today, but before I head out I'm going to shout out some comments from my top 5 times Jeffree Star was called out. So Chris Johnson said, "How to tell if he's lying? Well, are his lips moving?" I swear to god that has to be like the comment of the week, if not the year. That's amazing. Truly, like, you cannot trust anything this man says. Then Just Joe said, "Robbery? Me? D'Angelo Wallace? Them?" Which was first put up by D'Angelo Wallace. Yes. Yeah, I love to give credit, where it's due, especially when it's an original theory like that I hadn't heard anyone really talking about. I feel like he was the first one to really bring it to light. So of course, and I love D'Angelo. He's been exposing everyone left, right, and center. His videos are so long, so detailed, so unbiased. Like, they're just great. I love him so much. Then Adventures with Play Donut 45 said, "I think you could have done 200 times he lied even more." Definitely. These were just the ones I thought were the biggest and most obvious, but there is still just so many more. It's honestly crazy. But like I said, I think in the first one, I feel like he's like a bed of lies, like protects himself. There's actually this thing called the bed of nails effect, and that means like when one scandal happens, it's all anyone can think about, and it's like a really big thorn in their side. But when there's like a bunch of scandals, it like kind of protects them with like a bed of nails instead of, like, you know what I mean, I guess going through if it's just like one big nail. Anyway, the whole point is, like with Jeffree, it's like you can't really even name one specific scandal because he's in so many. You're like, wait, what are all his scandals? They just kind of like mold together. It's crazy. Alright everyone, that's all for me today. Thank you so much for watching, and again, make sure to like and subscribe and check out our playlist for more, and I'll see you all in the next one.